Hello YouTube, another day, another video in Check Together YouTube channel. Do you have problem with your camera sensor? Is it dirty? In this video you will find how to clean your camera sensor by yourself. For this reason, we are going to try UES sensor cleaning kit for APS-C cameras. The kit has 14 swabs or called applicators and one bottle of 15 milliliter cleaner solution. At the time of recording this video, the price of the kit is $15 at Amazon website.
Hello friends, today we have the sensor cleaning kit. The model is APS-C 16. At the first, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. So what we have here is the sensor cleaning kit for the APS-C sensors camera, and it's the first time I bought it, and let's try it together. So let's open it first. The pack is really nice, and let's see what we have inside. Okay, so let's open it. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Oh, yeah. We have the something Floyd, and also the user manual. But it's German and English to show that what we have to do in the menu, which it is not necessary, I think, for us. I have the Sony A6000 I want to test on it. Okay, so let's do this. I think it has to be applicator. Yeah, APS-C frame sensor cleaning swap. Okay, applicator, and it is for APS-C sensors. The size, I mean, the size of applicators. Okay, this is sealed, totally sealed, and many of them, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 applicator, and one like a small bottle of it, sensor cleaning. Yeah, that's the, yeah, it's like water. It's totally light. Okay, this is okay. Let's see what we have to do with it. And so it has applicators, and it has like this bottle of the. So yeah, this is the sensor cleaning kit for APS-C sensors. So let's now try to bring the camera. I have the Sony A6000, which it was for a long time I didn't use it, and let's do it now. You know, when I wanted to take the photos with this, on the sensor there was two like points, which it was like, you know, some like dirt or something, which we cannot see it here in camera, but yeah, we cannot see it here. But there are 2 points on the sensor which it's like, you know, like dirt, or like, you know, when sometimes drop the water on the glass So like that. So in the photos, actually, that you can see that two dark points on the photos. So let's open the applicator, and but actually that I really scared that to touch the sensor by itself. It's very scary, I think. So what it said that you have to drop the, you know, pour some of the like drops, 2 drops, 1 drop of the this fluid on the applicator. So let's do it. I really scared to, you know, to have it, but do not forget to, when you want to do this procedure, to turn off your air conditioner, or you know, close the windows to do not have any dust on your sensor by itself. So let's do it. I think that it's very, very difficult. Yeah, because, you know, I'm scared to touch the sensor. So just let's see that it says that you have to do it from one side to the other side, very smooth and in one time. Okay, so just you have to focus to be on one time and very smooth, and do not push it for any force, not to the sensor. So let's do it one time. It's very scary, really. Oh, let's do it. Yes, that's it. That's it. No, it was not scary, actually. So the other side we have to do it also. That's with the dry side, one time also. Okay, that's it. I cannot see any dots, and that 2 point actually disappear. So 100% successful, the procedure. Okay, good job. Very good job. That's it. Perfect. Don't scare, do it by yourself at home. Do it by yourself. Perfect. So close the caps. That's it. It's worked.